Hi programmer, welcome to VITechTalks. As part of HackerRank SQL Challenge, we are going to solve the question number 1. First, try to understand the problem before coding. So what is the question they have given? Query all columns for all American cities in the city table with the population larger than 1 lakh. Okay. Then country code for America is USA. First, what we need to do? Query all columns. Query all columns. So in order to query all the columns, what is the command? Select star from table name. What is the table name? City. Okay. It will fetch all the rows now. But in the problem, they have mentioned two conditions. One is for the country code is USA. In that case, we need to use where clause, where country code equal to USA. Okay. And there is one more condition. The populations larger than 1 lakh. So what is the field name here? Population. Population. Larger than. Okay. Greater than or equal to you can keep. So if you keep greater than or equal to, it will consider as this value also. It's like 1 lakh. Okay. Just try to run the code. See, the test case is passed. Now we can submit our code. Okay. So that's it for this video. Happy learning.